Hey guys, and finally we have the official OnePlus 6 render. We just saw the official bag thanks to the EV leaks, and now it's time to see the front of the phone coming straight from the CEO himself. Along with that, we have some really crucial, controversial information about this notch decision. So the CEO himself shared an exclusive OnePlus 6 render with The Verge, and well, as you can see, the notch is here. And I admit I said that it will be similar to the Oppo R15, but it's actually smaller and different to that notch, so a little bit better you can say. But nonetheless, the notch is now 100% confirmed. It's officially here, and the reason why it's here is because it just makes sense. The CEO says that the notch is bigger than the essential phone, but smaller than iPhone. It measures around 19.616mm by 7.687mm. He further says that the notch is not a compromise, but an advantage. It gives user more screen area to play with, and you just have to learn to love it. You just have to accept it. According to Carl P, the notch makes sense. It's the future. It's a trend that everybody's following, and that's what OnePlus is also doing. We still have the chin though, so it's not having a seamless design like the iPhone 10. In fact, he explains why iPhone 10 is the only phone to have no bottom bezel. It's because Apple uses a curved OLED display that wraps inside the phone to give a futuristic bezel-less look, completely chin-free. And the only reason why Apple introduced the notch in the first place is for that big 3D facial scanner, which is the best on the planet right now on a smartphone. It's the most accurate and it can't be beaten. Android phones are at least 2 years far from this technology. So Apple can't integrate its Face ID inside the display, so it had to go somewhere and it went on the notch. But Android phones on the other hand are having the notch just for aesthetic purposes, just to increase the screen real estate, just to follow the trend, because it makes sense. He admits that if it wasn't for Apple, they probably wouldn't introduce notch at all. Clearly, Apple doing the notch made them make the decision. And not only that, the phone actually has a gesture-based interface like the iPhone 10. We've already seen it on the beta software on OnePlus 5, so they are truly going the Apple way. Screen-to-body ratio for the phone is set to be 90% plus. Now, I do expect that OnePlus will allow us to hide the notch on the phone via software, just like the Huawei P20 phone. So since it's going to have an AMOLED display, the notch will be completely hidden and it will blend in with the blacks, unlike some of the LCD displays. So these are the words of the CEO, and basically he just straight up shared this official render with The Verge and answered all this question and their mindset about the notch, what they think about all this. So I'm eager to hear your thoughts. Will you still buy it? Are you still interested in OnePlus 6 despite having the notch? And also we saw the full spec sheet leaked recently, so according to this, it does have a lot of things similar to the OnePlus 5T, not much change in the camera department apart from the front camera, and the fingerprint scanner is actually on the back, so the in-display fingerprint scanner is not happening either. Maybe there might be a second version of the phone with the in-display fingerprint scanner, we don't know, it's a possibility. But all in all, let me know your thoughts on this. What do you guys think about the OnePlus 6 adopting the notch? And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.